Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Travis Johnson and I am a Palo Alto Next Gen Firewall engineer. And today we are going to be configuring the basics of a Palo Alto firewall. So essentially we are going to be configuring the initial firewall settings, um, configuring DNS and NTP servers, configuring some general settings, and modifying a management interface among other things. So let's jump straight into it. So step number one is we're going to begin by configuring DNS. So you can find your DNS services and settings in the device tab, services tab, where you can configure your DNS server settings. So we're going to set our primary server as Google, which is 8.8.8.8. And I have pre-configured in this lab environment a DNS server. I believe it's running Windows 2022, and I have the IP address for that service as 192.168.50.53. Okay. Next, we'll go over to NTP servers, and we will configure the pools. NTP servers simply reach out to these NTP organizations that essentially time sync the firewall with, I guess a way to think about it is syncing it with the world clock. So um, these are important for logging purposes to confirm or even incidents and so forth. So in the event that an event happens in the environment, an incident, it's properly logged at its correct time so that you can remediate it and investigate it. So um, so that is the um, NTP server settings. Now we'll jump over to general settings. It appears that some of my previous settings are still in the firewall, but that's okay because these videos are going to be short and to the point. And I'm going to rename this PA VM, which is the host name. I'll retain my domain as lab.local, and I'll add a banner. Authorized access only. Okay. Latitude and longitude I generally don't set, but in production you would set latitude and longitude. So now we're going to jump over to our management interface. We're going to verify the correct default gateway, that the settings are correct here, which the management interface is set to static. Management interface, IP address, so forth, default gateway. And we're also going to allow management from one of our internal hosts. So this will allow our internal user machine to also manage the device. So we'll do management from internal, or let's call it inside user Okay, we'll commit these changes. And this is our internal desktop terminal. So if I wanted to SSH admin at IP address of the firewall, 192.168.1.254. I don't think the changes have taken effect yet. Oh, it's not fully committed. Okay. Once it's fully committed, I'll be able to SSH into um, I'll be able to SSH into the firewall. Yes, and enter the password. Now, as you can see, once you add the this device, this IP config, let's do IPA. So you can see the IP address on this machine is 1.20. That's the local host. And when we added that host, 1.20, it allows us to manage the device from um, a user machine. So, all right, so now let's check. We're going to go to software, and this is where when you're looking to upgrade the operating system of the firewall, this is where you do it. It's in the device tab, software. You always check for latest versions. And I believe some of the features on the newest versions, um, they will show you the releases that are preferred. So, 11.1.1 may be preferred, may not be, but it'll highlight which versions are preferred, which essentially is Palo saying that, uh, if you're going to upgrade to this one. This one is preferred. So, um, with that, I just wanted to make this video super short and brief. I hope someone out there got something from this video, and I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.